How to link your Uber and Uber Eats accounts. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up Play Store and here you want to search for Uber. You want to download and install this application on your device. Once Uber application has been installed, you also want to install the Uber Eats application. After both the applications has been installed, you can open up any one of them. Now, if you are new to this, you first want to create a new account. In order to create a new account, you first want to select your country. Once you have selected your country, you simply want to enter your mobile number over here. After that, tap on the continue option. Then an OTP code will be sent to the number that you have entered. Once the code has been entered, your new account will be created. Or you can also continue using your Google account, your Apple account, Facebook account, or you can also select continue with email option. Once that is done, your new account will be created. Once your Uber account has been created and you want to link your Uber account with your Uber Eats account, all you have to do is open the Uber Eats application. Here you want to sign in using the same account that you have created in Uber. So as you can see, both Uber and Uber Eats account are connected, and if you already have an account with Uber, you can use the same account to order food on the Uber Eats app. Just sign in with that account when you open the application. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.